best of the best.
So I use this prompt genius tool to create all the advertisement videos you just watch, and I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing. So the first thing is to choose your core concept, and then we have product review, we have unboxing, we have character scene, and then we have the brand splash. Okay, so I'm going to choose unboxing for this tutorial. After selecting what you want, the next thing is to come and then define your subject. Okay, so to do it, all that you have to do is simply come and then put in your brand name. You can remove what is there and then put in your brand name, and then the product, what product are you advertising? Okay, simply put it in just like this. We have the brand keywords, you can change it. Okay, so I'm going to use sweet and tasty, and then after filling in this simple thing, all that you have to do is simply come here to the down where we have customize the looks and feel. You can come and then select the star, the one that you prefer. Okay, you can select any of these. So for this tutorial, I'm going to go with cinematic. So after selecting it, then you come here to the color palette. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, the one that you prefer. So for this tutorial, I'm going to select this color palette. Okay, and after selecting it, the next thing is the environment. Okay, so you can come and click on the down arrow, and you can select any one that you prefer. So for this, I'm going to go with the scientific interior. Okay, and then we have the camera. You can come and then select the one that you prefer. So for this tutorial, I'm going to go with the dynamic zoom. Okay, so after selecting it, the next thing is the lighting. Okay, so you can drag it up and then down and then back and forth to change it. And then you can see that it has automatically put in all the things that we filled here. Okay, we have the brand name, we have the product, we have everything right here which has been automatically filled in for us. Okay, this is a JSON prompt. Okay, you have to come down and come and click on the copy to copy the JSON prompt. Okay, so now that I have copied this, let's go back. Okay, so over here, go to Google AI Studio. Okay, and then come to the chat and then click on it. And then from the AI Studio, all that you have to do is simply come and then paste in the JSON prompt, just like it. Don't add anything to it, and then come and click on Run. Okay, so it is going to give you a complete Google View 3 prompt just like this one. What I have to do is come and then highlight the whole thing, right click and then click on copy. After copying, and just go to Google and then come and search for Flow and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, come and then select Google Labs by clicking on it. It is where you are going to create your view videos, and then click on create with flow, and then over here you can simply come and then click on new project. Okay, then you can come and then make sure that it is set to text to video, and then you have to come and then do this simple settings by clicking on the settings. Make sure that the output is 1, and then the model is set to the one that takes only 20 credits. And after that, all that you have to do is come and then paste in the prompt right here, just like this. Okay, and then come and then click on the submit. Okay, and that is it. You have your product video generated. Then come and click on play to play it, and then when you're okay with it, all that you have to do is simply come here, come and click on the download, and then come and select the original size. And that is it, you have it. So how do you get this tool? Just go to Google AI Studio and then come here to the build. Okay, and then from the showcase in front of it, you have your apps. Come and click on it, and then you see that I have this tool right here. I am having a step-by-step guide on how to create this tool on my channel. Just watch that video next and then create that tool. Okay.